Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We are working on a 2015 Honda Accord 3.5 Earth Dream technology. We're doing a starter today. I have already gotten this starter in, so I have such bad lighting in this area. I'm just going to give you an overview of what's going on. The manual says that you need to take out this bracket here for the battery tray. So first you can do is remove your battery cover, all that kind of good stuff, get it out of the way, it just pulls out, no problem. Next, disconnect your control solenoid. There is a bracket that goes right here, a 10mm, which holds the radiator hose and a bracket in the way. So take that off. And you have, right there, see that blue bolt? That is a 14mm, and then another blue bolt right there that is also 14mm. Those two come undone and the starter comes out. The bottom bolt there has a bracket attached to it with this harness and that clip right there, so you'll need to take those two out in order to get the wiring of them out of the way. Once those two 14s are out, then the 12 up here for the power wire, that'll come off. Once that is out of the way, you can take this lower radiator hose, push it towards the passenger side of the motor, and starter will walk itself right out here without having to mess with this. Looks like only two bolts here. Oh no, some underneath. Major pain in the butt. Take you more time than not in order to have to take that out, but you can snake it out, move that lower radiator hose out of the way. Starter comes in and out with no problem. Professional job, 15-20 minutes tops. Any questions, comments? Feel free to let me know. Thank you much.